आज रात 12 बजे से पूरे देश में, ध्यान से सुनिए, पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
Hello everyone. On 24th March 2020, the Government of India under Prime Minister Narendra Modi ordered a nationwide lockdown, which has continued till date, being the most prolonged lockdown that the present generation can remember, limiting movement of the entire 1.3 billion population of India as a preventive measure against the COVID-19 pandemic in India. This lockdown has confined the people to their home, ensuring their safety from being affected by the deadly virus, only moving out to stock up on essential items and medical emergencies with proper safety measures. As the lockdown may have helped the spread of the coronavirus disease in India, it has not, perhaps, been conducive to the emotional and mental health of some groups. After the COVID-19 outbreak during Lockdown 1.0 itself, the Indian Psychiatric Society reported that mental health concerns have escalated by an alarming 20%, with an unprecedented rise in psychosocial concerns like family issues, depression, anxiety disorders, substance abuse, sexual abuse, and domestic violence. Stress and panic attacks have increased by over 35%. Those with depression or anxiety disorders in remission are seeing a relapse. People with OCDs, like the compulsion to wash hands, are understandably in a state of panic. Sadly, we've seen suicides as well because of this pandemic. 40% of new cases post-lockdown are related to anxiety disorders, while 20% to depression, 5% to OCD, and 20% to relationship issues. Surveys conducted have shown that 61% Indians are experiencing mental health related issues because of the uncertainty and looming financial crisis. There was a sudden shift in the daily routines as many were stranded in hostels, rented apartments with no work and far from home. As the offices, schools closed down, the workers lost their jobs who have been working on contract basis. Earlier studies have shown that this sudden loss of employment, along with financial stress or even distress, could enhance the psychological impact on the working community, shown by symptoms of increased aggressiveness and post-traumatic stress. The lockdown has mostly affected people who are alone, already suffering from stress, or psychologically and financially burdened. Another group affected is the old and needy, as they are residing alone and no helpers available during this time, is most likely to be scared for their life, as they are the ones to get affected by the disease very easily. Studies have also shown that doctors, nurses, police, cleanliness staff, and many other frontline workers show high level of depression and anxiety. The loneliness accompanied by depression and stress may lead to the mental breakdown of a person, which would affect lifestyle quality and lead to a negative impact on the person's life. People who tested positive are being shunned in apartment complexes by their resident associations. Women are being burdened by doing work from home and completing household chores too, as the maids are no longer available during this pandemic. As women burden increase, they feel low and stressed and cannot keep up their good mental health. The lockdown has greatly impacted various segments of the society, and the people are trying to cope with their mental health with all the ongoing pandemic crisis that the country is facing. Being far away, stranded from home in India or abroad, had increased the mental health issues during this lockdown phase. People are happy when they are with their loved ones, but as the situation prevails, we can see a mental breakdown, aggressiveness, and a decline in the lifestyle of the people, and also in the choices that they make. All we can do is wait and wonder what more challenges does the COVID-19 lockdown brings forth, and how people of India try to keep themselves mentally stable from breaking down. If you like the podcast, please do like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you.